1
Sir, I'm seeing sir who is making noise.
and put me in the chat box, okay?
Okay, sir.
1.84 gram calcium carbonate and magnesium carbonate were treated with 50 milliliter of 0.8 molarity HCl solution. Calculate the percentage of calcium carbonate and magnesium carbonate. Come on, solve it.
Yes, sir.
Sir, please remove the chat box. I cannot see the question.
So from my side, it is okay.
Okay. It is 1.84 gram of calcium carbonate. Do you know this? No, one noise is coming from that side only, one of the participants.
Sir, I think it's from...
Write in chat.
Yeah, I have written it.
So see.
Yes, sir, now it's okay.
Yeah, in the container, okay, two items are there. One is calcium carbonate, one is magnesium carbonate, and the weight of both is 1.84 gram, children. And with this burette, this is the burette, okay? In this burette, I filled HCl whose molarity was 0.8 molarity and whose volume required is 50 milliliter, right? So this is molarity and this is volume. And the X factor of HCl is 1. Okay. Okay, 1. So we can call it normality also. Normality is also 0.8. And volume already given. 50 milliliter. Now try to solve this equation. You have to calculate what is the weight of calcium carbonate and what is the weight of magnesium carbonate. Then you will get the percentage. This is your question. Can you solve it? You required my help?
Yes, sir.
Okay. This process, what we are doing is known as titration, children. Okay.
Okay, sir.
We are using this burette. This is known as burette. In burette, we have kept HCl solution, and drop by drop, we will try to react with this solution, this mixture of solution, and we will get end point with the help of an indicator. Okay, indicator. Have you seen the indicator list I have sent in the group?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please see that 9 type of indicators are there. Okay. So with the help of indicator, we will get the end point and then we will stop the reaction. So this process is known as titration, children, titration. Now what we are going to do? Okay, first of all, okay, how many things are reacting, children? So magnesium carbonate is reacting, calcium carbonate is reacting. Okay, with what? With HCl, right?
HCl.
So according to the law of equivalence, you can say, or equivalent also, what will happen? Number of equivalents of this magnesium carbonate is equal to number of equivalents of calcium carbonate will be equal to number of equivalents of HCl. This is the law, children.
Yes, sir.
Magnesium carbonate, calcium carbonate, and HCl. Law of equivalence. Right? Okay, we can use this equation. Now, we have to know the X factor, children. So in HCl, you know the X factor is 1, right?
Yes, sir.
Any problem, please ask me. X factor, because I told you previously, this is the molecule. Nothing is written 0, is written 1, nothing is written 1, and X. X means you see how many positive charge are there.
Yes, sir. +1.
So X equal to 1. Here, the X equal to 2, children.
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir.
See the calcium. Calcium is having 2 positive charge. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Here also X equal to 2. Right?
2.
Okay. Let us see. Anybody, those who want to join lively, please have some responsibility, maintain silence. I don't want my class to disturb every time with maintain silence like this.
Okay, sir.
See, again noise came. Who is that? Who is that? Please write in the chat box. So, see, now what we are going to do? You have to maintain silence by any condition.
Sir, I got it, sir.
What you got it?
Who is making noise?
Okay, right. Please put me in chat box. So, see, children, we have to use law of equivalence, and we will use law of equivalence says that in a chemical reaction, number of equivalents of the participant will always remain same. In a chemical reaction, the reaction should be same. Okay. So find out the equivalent weight first. Equivalent weight of magnesium carbonate. What will be the equivalent weight? So molar weight divided by X, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Calculate the equivalent weight. So equivalent weight of magnesium carbonate. What is the molar weight? What is the molar weight? Magnesium is having 24, carbon is having 12, and 3 oxygen 48. 8 to 10, 14.
84 gram.
1,
84,
3,
sir.
3 and 4. How much?
84,
84.
84.
84. So molar weight is 84 and divided by 2.
48.
So the equivalent weight of magnesium carbonate is
48.
48, right?
Yes, sir.
So this is our result. We
So it
got
will be
the
42,
first
sir.
step. Now,
Is a 42, sir.
now here you please
42,
try
sir.
to solve equivalent weight of
Sir,
calcium
that is
carbonate.
equivalent weight of magnesium carbonate is 42.
42, sir.
42, sir. 42.
42,
Okay,
sir.
okay, right. It is 42. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Now, okay.
Equivalent weight of calcium carbonate is molar weight divided by again X. So equivalent weight of calcium carbonate is equal to 100 by 2. Equivalent weight of calcium carbonate is equal to how much?
50.
50, right?
Yes, sir.
Now please calculate number of equivalents, children. Number of equivalent of magnesium carbonate. Number of equivalent of magnesium carbonate, how much? So weight divided by equivalent weight. Okay.
Okay.
So now we don't know the weight. Number of equivalents of magnesium carbonate weight. So we know in the question they have given the total weight, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we will take suppose X weight, X gram. So X divided by equivalent. What is the equivalent weight? 42.
42.
42.
So one thing we have got. So this is also an important thing. Please lock it down.
And sir, calcium carbonate will be 1.84 minus X.
Very nice, good student. Number of equivalent of calcium carbonate equal to W by equivalent weight, and
Yes,
number
sir.
of equivalent is equal to what is the W? 1.84
1.84 minus X by
it is
50.
it is 1.84, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
total weight of the mixture was 1.84 minus X divided by how much?
50.
So one relation we got here also.
Sir, in the question, the weight is given for only calcium carbonate or magnesium carbonate also.
See, read. There should not be any confusion. Read. 1.84 gram of calcium carbonate and magnesium carbonate. Did you
Yes.
understand?
Yes, sir.
Where is that? 1.84 gram of calcium carbonate and magnesium carbonate, right?
Yes, sir.
There should not be it's a mixture, okay?
Yes, sir.
Now, what to do? What is the equivalent weight of HCl, children? Number of equivalents of HCl? Number of equivalent of HCl. So in HCl they have not given the weight and equivalent weight. So we will calculate by normality into volume or molarity into volume into X factor, right?
Yes, sir.
If you use molarity, you have to use X factor, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So
Yes, sir.
what is the molarity they have given for HCl?
8.
0.8.
0.8 molarity. What is the volume?
50 ml.
50 ml. What is the X factor?
1.
1.
1.
So this is the number of equivalents of HCl. Okay.
Okay, sir.
The volume should be in liter, no, sir?
That we can convert later. It is we will get number of milli equivalents. Okay.
Okay.
So number of milli equivalents, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
You can convert, you can divide by 1000. Got?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now it is okay.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Now you try to solve it.
0.04.
Can you solve it? Can you solve it for x?
Yes, sir. Solving.
Yes, sir. Solving.
It's 0.04.
You solve it like this. X by x by 42 plus 1.84 minus x by 50, right?
Yes, sir.
See, this is the equivalent number of equivalents. Okay, is equal to
Equal
is equal to 50 into 50 divided by 1000 into 0.8 into 1. Okay, so you can remove 1. Now please try to solve it. Solve it.
Okay, so solving, sir.
Solve it. Everybody is trying.
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, what you have to do first?
First, I have to take LCM of 42 and 50.
Take it. Otherwise, you
Sir,
can
we can
directly.
also solve by the law of equivalence.
First, you solve by this manner only. Take the LCM.
Yes, sir. 1050.
Can we do it directly? Just multiply by 50 here. Here this 42. Do fast.
Yes, sir. Doing. And x equals to minus 8 means x equals to 8.4.
So you got x is equal to
8.4.
8.4 or 0.84?
0.84. 0.84.
0.8,
0.84.
0.84.
0.84, sir.
So this is the x we got it. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
this
sir.
is the weight of which substance, children? X.
Then x was MgCO3.
So this is the weight of magnesium carbonate, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Then what is the weight of calcium carbonate?
1.84 minus 0.84.
So it will be 1.0 gram.
1
Yes, sir.
kilogram.
This is the like this. So can you calculate the percentage?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
percentage of magnesium carbonate is equal to
0.84 by 1.84
0.84
into 100.
1.84 into 100. Calculate.
Calculating, sir. Sir, 45.64%.
45.65%. Got my point?
Yes, sir.
And percentage of calcium carbonate will be just minus by 100. Okay, so you will get 54.35%, right?
Yes, sir.
So this manner, so what you have done titration, children. Okay, titration. This process is known as titration. And what we have used law of equivalence. Law of
Equivalent.
equivalence, right?
Yes, sir.
Scroll up, sir. I will writing.
Write it.
Sir, here, sir,
Yes.
sir, here mass or molarity of HCl is given and volume is also given. So from there we could calculate the mole of HCl,
Yeah.
and
Actually,
then
we
can
have
calculate its mass.
calculate mole only, but mole can be converted into number of equivalent by multiplying with number of can be converted into number of equivalent by multiplying with X factor.
Then we can multiply. Then we can find this mass, and then we can from there we can calculate its equivalent also.
Already indirectly we have calculate number of equivalents only. This is number of equivalent only.
Yeah, I have done that, and the answer is same only.
Same. It will come same only. Right, children?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. In the study hour, you please try to solve this. We have taken combinedly. Okay. In study hour, you do for each and
Fine.
everybody like this. Did you understand?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
And check it out. It is possible or not. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Next question. Next question. Okay. Problem number 2. Problem number 2. 0.4 gram of a mixture. Again, it is a mixture, children. 0.4 gram of a mixture containing sodium oxalate. Hello. Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Okay. Children. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Our
Yes,
principal sir is there. Please hear properly and sir, principal sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning,
Good
sir.
morning, dear
Sir.
students. Very good morning. It is satisfactory. Attendance is satisfactory. In spite of having the development, most of the students responded. Very good. Shabbat. As scheduled, the exam is postponed to tomorrow. You got one extra day. This extra day you utilize for revision and re-revision. Get the best mark, dear students. Yesterday I observed first year response was good. All the teachers worked from 4 o'clock to 7 p.m. and they made you to revise. But because of technical issue, they are upgrading. Our central office people are upgrading Learn app. That's why today's exam is postponed to tomorrow. ये याद रखना चाहिए कि जो भी होता है अपना भले के लिए ही होता है. तो और एक दिन अपने को ज्यादा मिला, ये टाइम को अपन यूटिलाइज कर लेंगे और बढ़िया मार्क्स लाएंगे. Next, second point. Dear students, most students use videos, but they are in dark mode. All of you and sit properly where decent.
प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करवा रहे हैं
If there is any technical issue, okay. Dear students, understand. Even I am having little issue. If there is any technical issue, okay.
नहीं, और सर ने वो दे दिया वो क्या बोलते हैं सिलेबस प्रेजेंट वीक का
वीडियो स्विच ऑन है तो डिसेंट
तो वो भी करवा रहे हैं
ये हमारा गुजारिश है
हाँ तो वो भी करवा रहे हैं
सुभाष सर जरा
Yes,
आप
sir.
देखिए सर
एकदम
सर, आप
एकदम एक
ठीक है
एकदम श्योर सर
थैंक यू
हाँ
स्टूडेंट्स
ठीक है sure.
Thank you, sir.
thank you so much sir for boosting
you,
us.
sir.
Whenever you talk we get energy level high.
Yes, sir.
that energy level convert into marks
Yes sir, definitely. Dear student, convert this energy level into good marks. Okay, and that good marks is 100%. Yes sir.
okay sir thank you please carry on sir
Okay. Okay children, so you can understand how much we are worried about your marks children. Okay, so you have to show your performance tomorrow. Problem number 2, 0.4 gram of a mixture containing sodium oxalate. Those who meant साइलेंस जिसका नहीं है उसको बोलो तो मेरे को थोड़ा सा मैं उसको कर देता
Sir, I have
हाँ
given
सर
ओके
सर ऐसा तो कोई दिख नहीं रहा है जो नॉइज बना रहा है
हो जा दिख जाएगा
Okay, sir.
चलिए 4.4 ग्राम ऑफ मिक्सचर है देखो कंटेनिंग सोडियम ऑक्सलेट
Yes, sir.
सोडियम ऑक्सलेट Na2C2O4
Yes, sir.
and potassium oxalate
Yes, sir.
potassium oxalate K2C2O4 potassium oxalate requires 50 milliliter of M/60 K2Cr2O7 अरे solution in acidic medium children in acidic medium for complete reaction calculate the percentage composition of the mixture चलो बनाओ ठीक है वही टाइट्रेशन है यहाँ पर
सर आप टाइट्रेशन कब समझाएंगे सर
ऑलरेडी टाइट्रेशन ही समझा रहे हैं हम उसका ये स्टार्टिंग कर रहे हैं बैकग्राउंड
अच्छा
देख रहे हैं ना बार बार हम एक कोनिकल फ्लास्क ले रहे हैं
यस सर
इस रिएक्शन को ही टाइट्रेशन कहते हैं कोनिकल फ्लास्क में जो कुछ मटेरियल ले रहे हैं ना
यस सर
और ऊपर से हम यहाँ पर एक क्या ले रहे हैं एक
ब्यूरेट।
ट्यूब ले रहे हैं जिसको हम लोग ब्यूरेट कहते हैं।
Yes.
अब इसमें एक सॉल्यूशन डाला, कौन सा सॉल्यूशन डाला, देखो ये डाला, ठीक है।
K2Cr2O7
हाँ, M/60
पोटेशियम कार्बोनेट।
Cr2O7 ये डाला।
Yes.
तो और इस प्रोसेस ये जो कर रहे हैं ना रिएक्शन, जो इसी को टाइट्रेशन कहते हैं। फिर और क्या सोचना है, इसी को टाइट्रेशन कहते हैं।
यस सर।
टाइट्रेशन में कौन कौन सा इंस्ट्रूमेंट का जरूरत है बोलो?
Conical
फ्लास्क,
एक तो हो गया ये जो ब्यूरेट,
ब्यूरेट।
ये वाला जो चीज देख रहे हो ना।
यस सर।
दूसरा देते हैं एक फ्लास्क,
यस सर।
कोनिकल फ्लास्क। तीसरा क्या लेते हैं, इंडिकेटर।
यस सर।
इंडिकेटर जो हमको ये रिएक्शन कंप्लीट हो जाएगा, है ना। जब रिएक्शन कंप्लीट हो जाएगा उसको हम कहेंगे एंड पॉइंट। ओके।
यस सर।
Yes.
हाँ, और इसको कहते हैं टाइट्रांट। टाइट्रांट जो ब्यूरेट के अंदर लेते हैं ना उसको टाइट्रांट कहते हैं, टाइट्रांट। और जो कोनिकल फ्लास्क में लेते हैं उसको कहते हैं एनाइलेट। तो ये सब नाम वाम अभी याद रखने की जरूरत नहीं है। और पूरे प्रोसेस को क्या कहते हैं, टाइट्रेशन, राइट।
यस सर।
इसमें आपको अब ब्यूरेट मालूम होता है क्या होता है, कोनिकल फ्लास्क मालूम है। इंडिकेटर कलर चेंज करता है, हम एक लिस्ट आपको दे देंगे, ऑलरेडी हम ग्रुप में भेज चुके हैं। थोड़ा उसको भी वॉच कीजिए, जो जो एक्स्ट्रा इन्फॉर्मेशन है मैं भेजते रहूंगा, ठीक है।
यस सर।
और इस तरह से ये बता दिया, देखो कि ये है उसका वॉल्यूम, देखिए कितना यूज हुआ है ब्यूरेट में। ब्यूरेट में वॉल्यूम कितना यूज हुआ, क्वेश्चन में दिखा रहेगा, देखो 50 ml, ठीक है। तो इसका वॉल्यूम हुआ यूज 50 ml बच्चों, राइट।
यस सर। यस सर।
अच्छा, इसमें कौन कौन सा चीज प्रेजेंट है, यही इंफॉर्मेशन सब तो टाइट्रेशन के लिए इंपॉर्टेंट है। तो इसमें जो प्रेजेंट है वो है सोडियम ऑक्सलेट एंड पोटेशियम ऑक्सलेट, राइट।
यस सर।
और दोनों का वजन कितना मालूम है, 0.4 ग्राम।
0.4 ग्राम।
बस अब आपको बताना है कि 0.4 ग्राम में ये कितना है और ये कितना, राइट।
यस सर।
चलो बताओ जल्दी से। यूज नंबर ऑफ इक्विवेलेंट्स, लॉ ऑफ इक्विवेलेंट्स।
यस सर।
Use your brain and after that I will explain you. क्या स्क्रीन ब्लर्ड है बेटा?
नहीं
हेलो,
सर।
स्क्रीन हेजी है क्या?
नहीं सर।
Nice.
नो नो, स्क्रीन इज नॉट हेजी। ओके, अपना नेटवर्क चेक करो बेटा।
सर M/60 क्या है?
M/60 उसका मोलारिटी है।
ओ
सर ये आप क्या करा रहे हैं?
ये हम लोग क्वेश्चन कर रहे हैं नंबर ऑफ इक्विवेलेंट्स में। इक्विवेलेंट वेट निकालना सीखे थे ना,
ओके। यस
उस
सर।
पर क्वेश्चन कर रहे हैं हम लोग, नंबर ऑफ इक्विवेलेंट्स। बार बार जो हम लोग एक्स फैक्टर निकाल रहे थे ना, अब उसका एप्लीकेशन कर रहे हैं हम लोग,
यस सर।
नंबर ऑफ इक्विवेलेंट्स।
सर तो मैंने जो बाकी छोड़ा हुआ था, क्योंकि एग्जाम्स के आईसीएसई एग्जाम्स के वजह से वो सब कैसे कंप्लीट करना चाहिए फिर?
तो
लाइक आप कुछ सजेशंस दीजिए फिर।
उसको ना, जो हम लोग का स्टडी अवर होता है ना, उसको एकदम कंप्लीटली यूज करिए, हो जाएगा प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व।
यस सर।
तो प्रॉब्लम नंबर 2 देखिए बच्चों। 0.4 ग्राम ऑफ मिक्सचर कंटेनिंग सोडियम ऑक्सलेट एंड पोटेशियम ऑक्सलेट requires 50 milliliter of M/60 K2C2O4 solution in acidic medium। एसिडिक मीडियम बोल करके आपको समझना है कि ऑक्सलेट का प्रोडक्ट क्या बनेगा, ठीक है। ये सारे काम हम लोग टाइट्रेशन में कर रहे हैं, मतलब रिएक्शन करा रहे हैं एक तरह से।
यस सर।
तो चलिए बताइए इक्विवेलेंट वेट ऑफ किसका बोलो तो Na2C2O4
यस सर।
इसका इक्विवेलेंट वेट बोलो बच्चों। इसका इक्विवेलेंट वेट होगा जो भी इसका मोलर वेट होगा उसको कितना से डिवाइड करना है x से,
यस सर।
और x यहाँ पर कितना है 2।
यस सर।
ठीक है चलो निकालो कितना आ रहा है। इसका मोलर वेट निकालो Na2C2O4 का।
सर
देखो
दो
तो
कैसे सोडियम और कार्बन दोनों का ऐड कर दिए।
हाँ
62 सर।
134 आएगा डिवाइडेड बाय 2। 134 आना चाहिए देखो,
हाँ सर।
तो आ जाएगा
62
67 ग्राम आएगा।
हाँ सर 67।
ठीक है
हाँ सर 67।
कैलकुलेट करके देखो।
हाँ 67 है सर।
और इक्विवेलेंट वेट ऑफ K2C2O4
तो कोई व्हाट्सएप कर रहा है सर।
मोलर वेट डिवाइडेड बाय 2 होगा, इसका भी एक्स फैक्टर 2 है, तो ये आ जाएगा 166 बाई 2। कैसे कैसे कैलकुलेट कर रहे हो जी?
84 ग्राम।
83 ग्राम।
ओह सर 83 ग्राम।
थोड़ा बोलने से पहले थोड़ा सोच लो, बहुत लोग सुन रहे हैं तुमको। 83 ग्राम गॉट। प्लीज सी दैट इट इज 166 और नॉट,
यस सर।
राइट?
Yes sir 166.
How I got 2 means C2O4 minus 2 will give you 2 CO2 in the reaction. Please tell me what is the oxidation state here? 8. 2
Yes,
निकाल
sir.
दो. Total oxidation number of carbon is +6.
+6.
And here total 8.
Yes sir.
What is the difference? 2.
2.
So that difference is known as X factor, children.
Yes sir.
Got?
Yes sir.
So in this chemical reaction, those haven't paid attention last class, so they must join in study hour and they should clear your doubts. Okay, so this is the reaction of oxalate. We have already completed oxalate to CO2, oxalate to CO2 several times. Okay. So in this manner we got the equivalent weight, children, right?
Yes sir. Now
Okay. Now,
number of equivalent.
yeah, now let us take what? So x gram, okay? See here, this is x means x factor, it is x factor. Here it is gram, x gram, okay?
Yes sir.
X gram of what? Na2C2O4.
Yes.
Okay. So then what will be the
That's the
gram?
weight is given. Oh no, that is combined.
Already
Yes,
it
sir.
is given of mixture 0.4.
Yes, sir.
0.4. Then 0.4 minus x gram of what? K2C2O4, right?
Yes sir.
Then tell me.
Equivalent
Yeah.
equals to
Right.
x by 67
Yeah.
for
Wait.
Na2CO4.
Equivalent of equivalence.
Na2CO4.
Wait. Number of equivalent of Na2C2O4 plus number of equivalents of what?
K2C2O4
is equal to number of equivalents of what? What you have used? K2
K2
CR2O7.
CR. Sir,
2O7,
K2
right?
CR2 sir. Yes sir.
It is CR2O7. One is oxalate, one is dichromate.
Yes, sir.
You have to pay attention. Okay, children?
Yes, sir.
Now tell me what happens. So you know the value of this one.
Yes, sir.
What was the volume?
50 ml. 50 ml.
50 ml divided by 1000. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Into what was the molarity?
Molarity m by 60.
M by 16 means they have given a stylish M by 16. We have to consider 1 by 60.
Yes, sir.
M by 60 means 1 by 60. Make sure. And into 6. Now this 6 is the X factor of dichromate.
Yes, sir.
Okay? We have already done Cr2O7 minus 2 in acidic medium. They convert into Cr plus 3. Okay, so here it is plus 12. Here it is plus 6 total. So what is the change? 6. So 6 is the X factor.
Yes, sir.
So those who don't understand this one, please come in the study hour and make sure that you clear your doubt. So from long back I am telling the what is X factor? Number of electron exchange, number of electron exchange, number of electron exchange. Chalo, number of equivalents. Can you make the equation?
Yes, sir. X by 67.
Yeah, X by 67 plus
And sir, 0.4 minus X.
minus X by
83.
83. Okay, now you please solve it. You solve this equation. Come on. Come on, 2 minutes left.
Yes, sir.
Again, take the LCM. You can cut over here these things. 6 1 ja 1, 6 10 ja 60. Okay.
Yes, sir. 0.005.
10 1 ja 10 5 ja 5 by 1000. Take the LCM. Have you taken? 83x plus, tell me, 67.4
0.4
minus x is
7.
equal to okay.
Yes, sir. 5561. 5561.
What will be here? 5 by 1000 into 67.
0.005.
This will be only the condition, no?
Yes.
Yes.
We have taken this side in right hand side. Solve it. When you solve it, okay, you will get x equal to 1 by
26.8.
1 by 16 you will get. Okay, 0.06 gram you will get. Okay, x value.
Yes, sir.
So if somebody asks the percentage of what? This x value was of sodium oxalate. So what will be the percentage? 0.06 divided by 0.4, right?
Yes, sir.
Into 100. The percentage is 15.6. So if you get the percentage of one, you can get the percentage of other also. Percentage of K2C2O4 is equal to how much? Tell me. 84 point. Did you understand, children?
Yes, sir.
In this way, you have to solve the problems. These problems are based on what? Number of equivalents.
Yes, sir.
Okay, children? We have next class. Bye-bye.
Bye, sir.
See you in study hour. Okay, bye.
Yes,
Did you
sir.
understand, children?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, these all are based on titration, number of equivalents, and law of equivalence. Bye, everybody.